Just type designs.ai, go to logo maker, type that name of project, select your industry and also select the category. Either you can select the icon, you can select in the form of name, or any you can also select the 5 styles from it, which one you like most. Please select the 5 styles from it, which one you like most. Please icons according to your niche, according to your field. You can choose up to the 5 icons. Icons according to your niche, according to your field. You can choose color, which color suit to your company, according to your niche, according to your field. Select the color, which color suit to your company, according to your niche, according to your field. Project is ready. 5 templates are prepared here. You can edit them, you can edit anything whatever you want. You can change the tagline, you can change the font, you can change the icon, you can also change the color. This is very good platform. You can create any type of logo here. Thank you. Platform also provide a complete branding kit. You can see all the things here, absolutely free. This platform also provide a